Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be discuss about most important topic that's joins. What are the different types of joins? We have the different types of joins in SQL. So we have inner join, left join, right join, full outer join, right? And we have the cross join as well, and self join as well sometimes. So these are the types of joins we can go for use in SQL. So very important and very regularly asking in all type of company interviews. So if you go with an interview, 90% of interviews, they're asking this question. So if we have a two tables, I have a table. Let me show you that. Let me select start from T1. Suppose I have a table one. I execute this. I have a table one, these many records. There is a one column and it's holding the one null 2 3 1. Okay, I have one more table that's we have it select star from T2. Okay, I have one more table. It's holding the records. The table contains so B table B column B 1 3 4 5 null. Okay, so I have these two tables and I have these many columns in the both the tables. If I go with the different types of joins, how many records get displayed? How many records you can get in the different types of joins? Inner join, how many records you can get it? And left join, how many records? And right join, how many records? And full outer join, how many records you can get displayed there? Okay, so note it down that we have the data like this. So how the joins can perform, how the joins can be performed. So let me go for write a SQL statement for the joining. Okay, when you have the two tables, so let me go for select star. I'm taking the all the records, select star from T1. Okay, we have the select star from T1. So first we can go with the inner join and T2. When you are writing a joins, first you can select a list of columns you want to get it from table 1 and inner join table 2. Next to it, you can define that a condition on uh, T1 dot. So which field you want to be joined with? What is a join field? So T1 dot A is equal to T2 dot B. Okay, T1 dot A is equal to T2 dot B. Let me go for execute this SQL statement, execute it. You can see that how many records we are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm getting the 4 records. So how it would be the 4 records? Can we go for discuss that? Let me go for select star from T1 and I can go with select star from T2. Otherwise, yeah, T2. So execute these two statements, select star from T1, select star from T2. So first, when you make it as inner join, I have in a table, 1. First one is go for check with the B table, 1 is there. So first record will get displayed there. Again, so 1 can go for check with the other fields, 3, 4, 5, it not matching. So we don't have any record. 1 is there, 1. And again, 1, we have it in the table 1. It's go for cross verify that is there any matching record in the B column. So we have it 1. Again, 2 times the 1 is repeated. And when we go with the null, so nulls cannot be participate in the joins type. So nulls we cannot consider that and leave that. And 2, it will go for verify that in B table there is no matching record. And 3, you can go for verify there is a 1. It's repeated 1. Right, 3 records. And when you go with the 1, again it will go for check in the table 2, and we have 1 record. It's totally 4 records. Okay, at the same time you can write this count star. So in this condition, we can make it as count star of this entire query. You can run it back. You can get the 4 records. So how many records we can get it? 4. So how it will be? You can check this way. You can run this too. And we have the 2 ones are there, which can be get it 2 records here and one more here, 3, and 3 is matching. Only matching records from the both the tables. When we go for inner join, we can get it only matching records from the both the tables. Let's go with the left join. How the left join will work. Okay, how the left join will work. So blindly you can remember that when we say that left join, all records from the left table, only matching records from the right table. So let me execute this. So we have all the records from the left table. So we have the 3 ones are there, 2, 3, null. All records from the left table and only matching records from the right table. So whereas you can go with check with the A, we have it 1, 1 matching. Let me bring you that here. So go for here, execute this again. So I want to note those values. 1, 1, null, and 1, and 2, 3, 1. Right. So again, I can go for get it table 2. What we have in table 2, you can see 1, 3, 4, 5, and null. Right. So when I go with the left join, all records from the left table. So I can execute this query. So execute this really. All records from the left table, only matching records from the right table. First, there is a record 1 is there, which can be matching with 1. So it will be available here. 1 again check with the 1 table, we can get it here. So the next record is null. So it will go for by default. Null is cannot be participate in joins, but null record is there, right? All records from the left table, null also will be placed here. Null also we can get it here. So null and null. So null related, there is no record in the right side. We can get a null itself. Again, we can go with 2. So we have the 2 in the table 1. There is no matching record in the table 2. Then what happens is 2 will be appear because it's all records from left table. Corresponding data is not there in the table B. We can get the null. We can get the null. And 3, we have it matching records, and 3 we can get it. 1 again, we can get the matching record 1. Total, how many records we are getting? Total 6 records. See that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 records. That's a left join. When you go with the right join, just change it to the right join. Okay, right join, execute it. What is the right join? Right join means all records from the right table, only matching records from the left table. All records from the right table. So here you can see 1, 3, 4, 5 null. 1, 3, 4, 5 null. All records from the table 2 we can get it. Only matching records from the left table. So 1, 1 is matching, 1, 1 is matching, and once again 1 is matching with 1. So all the ones, 3 ones are there. Again 3 we have in the table, 3 is matching, 3 we have it, and 4 there is no matching record. For the 4 we can get the null. 5 there is no matching record, null we can get it from the table 1. And the null, so as I mentioned, there is no matching record, null we can get it. This is the right join, and we can make it as full join here. When you go with apply the full outer join, so all records from the both the table, matching and unmatching records, non-matching records we can get it. All records from the both the table. So how this join will be performed? So you can go for check that a 1, 1. So we have the 1 and 1. it is connected to 1 and 1. We have the two records. And null again. So there is no matching record for the right table, null we can get it. And second, the next table 2 will be go for check that matching records, no matching record. So we can get 2 as a null. And three we have the matching record. And again 1 we have it. Okay. So 1 we can get it 1 matching. Okay. Next, all the records is done. We have the 4 5. Okay. 4 5 there is no matching records on the table 1. We can get null and 4, null and 5. And again we have the null here, so the related null will get displayed. So this is the way all the 4 types of joins can be worked. This is the way all 4 types of joins can be worked. So you need to be very sure about this joins, how it will be performed and how many records we can get it. See here, when you apply the full outer join, we have the 9 records. So this is the way you need to be cross-check and get display the number of records and write down the list of matches. Okay, when you go with a cross join, so simply you can say that number of records. So 1 will map with all the 5 records in the table 2. 1 is match again 5. Null is matching again 5. 2 is matching again 5. So how many records are there? 6. 6 multiplied by number of records in table 1 multiplied by number of records in table 2. Those many number of records we can get it. So simply you can check that. So go for here, table 1, mention that cross join. So here you can just mention the count star. Okay. You don't require any joining condition. We can just mention 330 records. So you want to see that R30 matches. You can go for remove this count and run this query again until this. So we can get that how it will be get the 30. See 1 1 1 null again. All the invisible we can get the 6 times. Again same it will be continued. Okay, so this is a very important questions and each and every interview 99% asking questions. So try to be do practice on this. Yeah, that's all about this video. Thanks for watching my channel and please subscribe and follow my channel. I can go for add a number of useful videos and it will be you can go to follow my videos and you successfully crack your interviews and solve your problems in your real time. Thank you.